Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a little swatch video of the new e.l.f. Cosmetics collab with Jennifer Coolidge, and it's the Dirty Pillows Lip Kit. I feel like everyone in the world, including myself, loves Jennifer Coolidge. It's so many iconic movies, from Legally Blonde to Cinderella Story, but my favorite is Best in Show. She's so funny in that movie. If you haven't seen it, go watch it. Only thing I would say was a missed opportunity with this PR little box thing is that satin should have came out and it was a satin pillowcase to go with the Dirty Pillows theme. It would have been iconic. There's a bunch in this collection. There's a lipstick, a lip liner, a lip gloss, and a nice beautiful edged mirror, which is stunning, and it comes in a little bag, which is so smart because mine always gets scratched in my purse. In order, there's an FACE Satin Lipstick in the shade Dirty Pillows, which is a rosy pink, a lip plumping gloss in the shade Swollen, which is a creamy light pink gloss. It has a nice silver sparkle, and it does have that minty texture, so it adds that like plumping sensation. It's very nice. And then it comes with this little mirror. She says your lips are the mirror to your soul, which I definitely feel like that. I always feel my best when I have my lips on. We're going to go in with the Cream Glide lip liner in the shade Fill Frontal, which is a neutral brown lip liner, and it's one of the wooden pencils, which I wasn't expecting, but it's very bougie for a wood pencil. I was very impressed, and I feel like this color is the exact same shade as my natural lip color, but maybe a little bit darker, my lip color but better, and I loved it. I'm going to be using this all the time. It's just such a neutral color. I feel like this is going to pair well with so many of my favorite lipsticks. It kind of reminds me of the EQ shade from Run Beauty that I really like, but maybe a little bit lighter. But again, I loved this. You could wear this all by itself and be such a cute look. Her little initials on the edge, which I feel like I wish they would do as like a customization fee. Could buy one of their lipsticks with your initials on top. I feel like that would be such a good idea for like you or a friend or bridesmaids or anything like that. Now we're going to go in with the FACE Satin Lipstick in the shade Dirty Pillows, which is a rosy pink. Their satin lipsticks are more on the not matte side. I don't know how to describe that other than it's a satin, not completely matte, has a little bit of a sheen to it, and I really like these. And it's definitely more peachy than I would say the lip liner is. So it adds a nice like plumping look to your lips, like you have lip filler, but I really liked it. I'm not used to these lighter peachy tones on me, but I liked it. Now we're going to go in with the lip plumping gloss in Swollen and top it with the rest of the look. Like I said, it has one of that kind of cooling, tingly vibe, so it kind of plumps your lips up, and I actually enjoy that feeling. And this one isn't too intense if you're afraid of that. It's nothing like those really extreme ones. But there is the swatches and the way it looks on me and the little mirror, and I hope this helped you out. I know that they are restocking it onto their website, so if you wanted to pick it up, I hoped this helped, and make sure you sign up for their email list so that you get notified. But I hope you have a beautiful day or night wherever you are. I'm going to task you with saying something nice to someone. Say a compliment, say just something positive towards someone else, because you never know how that can affect their day. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Bye!